racing for the last and final race tonight here at the San Lazaro Leisure Park as they settle. Drew somebody very quickly at the start, moving upon the outside. Master Professor Power Dance in the middle, while Kenyan Passion Island comes next. Something Silver Hugadera, then followed over by Playing Cool While Loaded is the early trailer, and going along for the person. Oh, somebody's running by the road. In the middle portion comes entry number 9, Master Professor, then followed over by Power Dance. 6 lanes further back in court comes Passion Island. Moving upon the outside, Something Silver, Playing Cool, Walking Young, running alongside. Hugadera second last, while Loaded is still in behind them, past the half-mile distance. This time we have 2 entries, barrier out for the lead. We have Power Dance now moves up by about 3/4 of a length lead. Then here comes Oh Somebody, now down on the inside, 6 lengths further back in third comes entry number 4, and this one is Something Silver. Master Professor heading out, grabbing back in fourth, then followed over by Passion Island, Walking and Hugadera Loaded, while Playing Cool now in behind them, and they are entering the horse race. We have Power Dance running by Girl Oh Somebody, then here comes Something Silver now closing in with about 150 meters more to run. We have Something Silver now moves up to take the lead. Power Dance drops back in second, and finally it's Something Silver. Power Dance third goes to Oh Somebody, Passion Island, Joaquin Yan, Master Professor for your Super 6, then comes later.
Yan po, nagbabalik sa winner's circle. The unofficial winners, Something Silver, doing quarters of 9.